Colorful Ghosts.
The Colourful Ghosts. One day, Sam, Anna, and John were playing in the park when suddenly, many colourful ghosts fell from the sky onto the ground. "Hey! What are these things?" Sam asked in surprise. All these ghosts were green, blue, yellow, red, and black in color. They flew in the air, got stuck in trees, and crawled along the ground. "These aren't ghosts, they're plastic bags," Anna said. "But they're spreading everywhere like ghosts," John said. The three of them watched closely. One bag got stuck in a tree, another floated in the water, and a third ended up in a cat's mouth. At that moment, a voice echoed through the air. "We are the Colourful Ghosts. You created us, and now we're everywhere." The children got scared, but then Anna said, "We have to get rid of these ghosts." Then the children collected all the plastic bags from the park. Mark told the adults that these bags are harmful to the earth, animals, and water. Mark and taught everyone to use cloth and paper bags instead. Within a few days, the park was clean, the birds returned, and the colourful ghosts ran away. Now whenever a child brings a plastic bag, everyone says, "Don't bring ghosts, bring eco-friendly things."